Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 20th of November 2018. Okay guys, we have very good trading with signals, and I'm going to start the discussion from New Zealand USD. Okay, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD. The entry was 068486 and the target price was 068179. And guys, you can see that the market has taken the U-turn first. It has decided some hours to go with the bearish entry, and then finally we have seen a big drop on New Zealand USD. And if you have followed the signals entry as per the signals report, then you should have collected the profit because it was a very easy signal from my side. Okay, now let's talk about a drop that is seen today on pound USD. That drop was already predicted by 200forexpips.com in the morning, and 128464 was the bearish entry, and 127569 was the targeted price. However, if you look at the pattern here, then you can see that from many hours we were looking that the market was just breaking the entry. Again, it's going up, just fighting, and again going up. So it's happening because the level of volatility is very high during November. I have seen from the start of the November, we are looking at the very high volatility in the market. So guys, we are normally getting these patterns. The markets are not trending, so be careful. Do not plan very long trades. However, when you see one direction of the market, then only you can trade. Otherwise, mostly if you ask about the majority of the pairs, they are just having drops, and then they again come back up to the same level. So it's happening from last few days. Okay guys, the same thing again happened. If you look at this this thing, that the market went up from 15th of November, and again now if you look at this pattern, the market is back again. That was on 16th of November. So this is happening from the last some weeks. So be careful with trading because the market is just catching the volatility. So be careful with this. So overall, if you have traded Great Britain pound USD, then the signal must be satisfied. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD JPY. 112570 is the bullish entry, and 112869 was the target price. So this signal was fine because we have a clear break from here, and the market was closed above the entry, and finally USD JPY has moved up. So now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. A very easy signal was supplied. I'm going to take you towards the signals report. A bullish signal was supplied from 131690, and I have provided 132040 as the target price. But guys, you can see we have seen a strong upward momentum, and USD Canadian dollar has went way up. So if you have traded the bullish zone that I have provided in my signals report, then you must have collected the profit. Now let's talk about AUD JPY. This signal was not very much strange to give for me in the morning because yesterday we have seen a drop on AUD JPY. Again, I have expected the drop. That's what I was expecting in the morning. 81933 was the bearish entry, and 81564 was the target price. So guys, today again the drop was continued, and finally AUD JPY has hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. So guys, I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today. They must have collected a profit. Okay, not going to talk about the USD CHF. Okay guys, rest of the signals have not taken the U-turn except AUD USD. Other 5 signals have perfectly hit as per the signals report. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Moreover, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain. Whenever you see that the market is making the bearish pattern from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is making the bullish pattern from the lower red boundary, then you can buy the pair. Trust the red arrows at the top red boundary and trust the white arrows at the lower red boundary. Ignore the white arrows at the top red boundary so that you should not be mistaken, because the things will be very easy for you. At the overbought levels, you are not going to take the further buy positions, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all these, please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.